Hello, beautifuls, and welcome to another Monday Clean with me. So, Monday's cleaning schedule is my bedroom and also my spare room, which kind of doubles as my dressing room. It's where I keep all of my makeup and my long dresses and things like that. So, that is what I'm going to be doing today. So, I'm just trying to get some of the clothes put up that I still had left and just wiping down all of the furniture, dusting everything, just making sure everything is put up in its place. So if you notice on my bed, I have a lot of laundry that I did not put up from this weekend. So I am already behind on my cleaning schedule and it's only the first week. So not doing so good, but that just means I have room to improve. So that's what I'm going to go with. So I'm just going to be tidying up the room, dusting all the furniture and cleaning all the mirrors and everything. And then moving on to my spare bedroom. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. So I have a bee sewn into my cleaning cloth because I bought this pack of cleaning cloths and I believe there was 12 in a pack, and they're all just plain white cleaning cloths. So I needed some way to separate them out because I want to keep each cloth for each room separated. So I don't want to be mixing them. So the ones for the bathroom, I don't want to be using for the kitchen and, like stuff like that. So I thought, well, I could just write in a Sharpie with it and just, write which room that each cloth went to. But then I thought if I'm using cleaner with it, I don't know if it would run and I don't know if it would, mixing with the cleaner, like if it would get on an item that I'm cleaning. And yeah, I just didn't want to chance it. So that's why I decided to just take a little bit of extra time and to actually sew in the initial of the room that I wanted the cloth for. So I have the B for bedroom, and that also is what I use for my spare room or my dressing room. I use the bedroom cloth for both of those rooms. And then I have K for kitchen, C for car, L for living room, and I also use this one for the dining room area because they're kind of connected to each other, and the dining room really ever doesn't get that dirty. So I use the living room one for the dining room and X for bathroom. So I obviously didn't, I couldn't have two B's, bedroom, bathroom. So I decided to make X as the bathroom. So it's just a way for me to keep them separated and just make sure that I'm not mixing rooms and stuff in case there's like a time in between where I don't get a chance to like bleach them out or anything. And I want to reuse them again if they're really like if it's not that dirty. I just don't want to chance mixing the cloths in different areas. So this night I had some soup that my dad had made me, and he spoils me. So it is like this delicious enchilada soup. It was so yummy. I hope y'all guys enjoyed it, and I will see y'all in my next video.